In this video, we will be discussing the O'Connor-Tweezer dexterity test. This test measures hand dexterity by measuring the speed with which a subject using tweezers is able to pick up pins one at a time and place them in small holes on a board. For this test, you will need the test board, which is 5 7/8 inches wide by 11 5/8 inches. Located in the upper half of the board is a pinwheel, which is 4 3/4 inches in diameter, arranged in 10 rows of 10 holes each, spaced 1/2 inch apart. You will need the pins, which are 1 inch long and 1/6 inch in diameter, as well as tweezers. For the setup of this test, the subject should be seated comfortably at a table about 30 inches in height. The board is placed before the subject about 1 foot from the edge of the table, with the tray at the right if the right hand is to be used, and vice versa. It should be at an angle of about 90 degrees with the subject's working hand, but may be changed if needed. The subject may rest their elbow on the table. The examiner will read the instructions from the manual and illustrate. The subject will use the tweezers to pick up the pins one at a time and place them in the holes from left to right when testing the right hand, and each row should be filled before the next is started. The subject can place 10 pins in the top row for practice. For the actual test, you will start the stopwatch when the first pin is placed and stop when the last pin is placed. Next, you will see the demonstration of the O'Connor-Tweezer dexterity test. The board in front of you consists of 100 holes, each large enough to hold 1 pin. Pick up 1 pin at a time with the tweezers and fill the holes, placing 1 pin in each as fast as you can. You will pick up the pin rather lightly, so it will fall into a vertical position, like this, all ready to drop into the hole. This is the best way. You see, if you hold the pin tightly, like this, it drops out. Or if you pick it up by the middle, like this, it takes an awkward twist of the wrist to get it into the hole. But this way it goes naturally. It is easiest to start in the farthest corner and work towards you like this. If you can start in this corner, your sleeve will not catch the pins. There are enough extra pins in the tray so that if you drop 1 or 2 on the floor, you will still have enough left. We will be practicing with placing 10 pins into the holes, going from left to right. Okay, stop. We will now take the pins out. This will be the actual test. Remember, we will fill from left to right and fill the whole board. Are you ready?
Yep.
Begin. All right, thank you. The score equals the number of seconds elapsing between the placement of the first and last pins. This test does not come with a specific score sheet. The early norms were based for the most part on the performance of factory employees and applicants. The test is adapted for use with individuals above 13 years of age. The charts shown here show the early normative value and the standard normative values. For this video, we use the Salmons Preston 7521, which is identical to the Lafayette instrument model of 32022. Here are my references, and thank you for watching.